cornmeal. So that corn is looking fantastic, and I think it's time we get it picked. What's going on today, Maureen? A few days ago, I picked that corn and we brought it in and we cooked some of it up, and I'm not gonna lie, I left it too late, and so it was quite dry, but I'm a dedicated grower and I made sure I ate that whole dry corn. And I put all that time into growing the corn. I thought, I'm not throwing it out and I'm not giving it to the chickens. So I went, let's go to the Googles. That's what we're gonna get going on and doing today. Let's go into the larder and get our high-powered blender. So we're going to husk all the corn and then wash it and then cut all the kernels off of it. Then I'm going to use my multi-purpose air fryer, which I call an easy bake oven, because it's just like the ones that we had when we were kids, but it actually works. And it actually has a dehydrator button on it. And so I'm going to use that. Dehydrate for 8 hours. We're definitely gonna need a high-powered blender, a good sifter, and a mason jar. Let's get our corn. So here is our dehydrated corn. I'm probably only gonna put about half of it into the blender. Then we'll put it on the grind setting. So when I was looking up on the websites, it said to pulse it, but I just put it on regular and it did a pretty darn good grind of this. Then we're going to take it and put it through a fine sieve. Smells like corn. Smells really good. The grind feature on this is fantastic. It actually was changing the speeds and just ground it all. There's gonna be no reason for my sieve. So I'm just gonna use my funnel and pour this off. Wow. So this second batch is all done, and with this blender it took 2 minutes and 40 seconds to do up each batch, but I think I could have put all of it into this blender. So the last little bits, I'm just going to use a brush and put them on the parchment paper and pour it in. I'm a frugal mama and I like to get every last bit and have nothing go to waste. And in it goes. That was quite a bit left over. That's about 2 cups of cornmeal that I made. Yay! Oh, and another great thing about this blender, it washes itself. It's actually a soup blender, and so you can put your fresh veggies in along with your broth. It will chop, blend, and heat up your soup all in one happy little blender. We made about 2 cups of cornmeal, and there's no preservatives, no additives, just pure corn. And all I used was my easy bake oven and my high-powered blender. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless. Cornmeal.